Welcome to IBM Mainframer, a complete reference for programmer. HTML tutorial. In this video, we are going to see HTML introduction. HTML introduction. HTML is the standard markup language for web pages. With HTML, you can create your own website. HTML is easy to learn. Hope you will enjoy it. What is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is the standard markup language for creating web pages. HTML describes the structure of a web page. HTML consists of a series of elements. HTML elements tell the browser how to display the content. HTML elements label pieces of content such as this is a heading, this is a paragraph, this is a link, etc. This is the simple HTML document. Don't worry if you don't understand anything. We will explain you in detail. Let me explain you each line on this HTML document. First line on this HTML document is doc type HTML tag. It defines that this document is an HTML5 document. The HTML tag element is the root element of an HTML page. The head tag element contains meta information about the HTML page. The title tag element specifies a title for the HTML page, which is shown in the browser's title bar, or in the Pages tab. The body tag element defines the document's body, and is a container for all the visible contents, such as headings, lists, paragraphs, images, hyperlinks, tables, etc. The h1 tag element defines a large heading. The p tag element defines a paragraph. You may be wondering, what is tag? Let me explain you, what is tag? Tag is a special word, or letter, surrounded by angle brackets, less than and greater than. We have highlighted the tags present in sample HTML document. You use tags to create HTML elements. So, what is an HTML element? An HTML element is defined by a start tag, some content, and an end tag. The HTML element is everything from the start tag to the end tag. See this two examples. Some HTML elements have no content, like the BR tag element. These elements are called empty elements. Empty elements do not have an end tag. We will see in detail about BR tag in upcoming sessions. Web browsers. Many of you already know what is web browser. We should know about web browser before we dig into HTML. The purpose of a web browser, Chrome, Edge, Firefox, Safari, is to read HTML documents and display them correctly. A browser does not display the HTML tags, but uses them to determine how to display the document. See this sample HTML document. And this the browser display of sample HTML document. This is the visualization of an HTML page structure. The content inside the body tag section, the white area above, will be displayed in a browser. The content inside the title tag element will be shown in the browser's title bar or in the Pages tab. We hope this HTML introduction video helped you to understand little bit of HTML. In next video, we will learn about HTML editors. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you liked it, please like and subscribe. This will motivate us to create many tutorial videos.